Everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from pair of straight lines of inter first year 1B. Find the value of k. The equation is given in that 2h value we have to find. That is k value we have to find, and also we have to find the point of intersection and angle between the lines. Okay. So first take the equation. Write the equation: 2x square plus kxy minus 6y square plus 3x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So for this we have one condition that if this is a pair of straight line, we have a condition. What is that condition? Ax square abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equals to 0. This is the condition. It must satisfy. This equation must satisfy this condition. Then we can say that is the equation of pair of straight lines. Okay. So here first take the values for a, b, c, f, g, h. Okay. So a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, 2h is equals to k. Okay, 2h is equals to k and 2f equals to 1. Next 2g is equals to 3, c is equals to 1. But here we want h. H is equals to k by 2, f equals to 1 by 2, g equals to 3 by 2. Okay. Now these values, what we are taken, substitute these all values in this equation. Substitute these values in this equation, we can get the value for k. Okay. So substitute ma a, b, c is 1. So 2 into minus 6 into 1. A into b into c. 2 into minus 6 into 1. Plus 2h is k by 2, right? K by 2 into 2h is k, right? K into fg. F is 1 by 2 into g is 3 by 2. Okay. Minus a is 2 into, what is f? 1 by 2 square. Minus b is minus 6 into 3 by 2 square. And what left? Minus ch square. H is k by 2. So minus c means 1 into k by 2 whole square equals to 0. Okay. So what you will get? Minus 12 plus 3 by 4. That is plus 3k by 4. Next this becomes minus 2 into 1 by 4. This becomes plus 6 into 9 by 4 minus k square by 4 equals 0. Okay. Like this we will get a quadratic equation in terms of k. So just take the LCM and all. You will get what? LCM 4 is the LCM. So 12 fourths 48 plus 3k here minus 2 plus 6 nines are 54 minus k square equals to 0. This, here LCM 4 goes that side, it becomes 0. So now write k square in the first term, minus k square plus k plus 3k. Okay. Plus 3k. This is minus 48 minus 2. That is minus 50 plus 54 equals to 0. Minus k square plus 3k plus 4 equals to 0. Now take minus common. There you will get x k square minus 3k minus 4 equals to 0. Now factorize this. what you will get? K square minus 4k plus k minus 4 equals to 0. Here we will get minus 4k plus k is nothing but minus 3k. Just I splitted the middle term. Okay, now take k common, k minus 4 plus 1 common, k minus 4 equals to 0. So k minus 4 into k plus 1 equals to 0. So k minus 4 equals to 0 or k plus 1 equals to 0. K equals to 4 or k equals to minus 1. Okay, like this we got k value. Now what we have to do? After finding the k value, we have to find the point of intersection and angle between the lines. Okay, so let us find the point of intersection. First let me write this all upwards. A equals to 2. Okay, now we can write from the equation in the question. Okay, A equal to 2, B equal to minus 6, C equals to 1. Next 2H is equals to what? 4, comma. Okay, 2H is equals to 4. If K equal to 4, this condition is for if K equals to 4. Okay, 2H equals to 4 and 2F equals to 3, 2G equals to 2G equals to 3 and 2F equals to 1 and that's it. Those are the values we have to note from the equation to find the point of intersection. So point of intersection formula. Point of intersection is given by HF minus P equals to HF minus BG by AB minus H square comma GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Okay, so P is equals to P equal to what is H? H is equals to 2. G is equals to 3 by 2. F equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so HF that is 2 into 1 by 2 minus B is minus 6 into G is 3 by 2 whole by AB is nothing but A into B is minus 12 minus H square is 2 square is 4 comma GH G 3 by 2 H is 2 minus A is 2 F is minus 1 by 2 whole by minus 12 minus 4. P is equals to 2 cancel, 2 in 6 3 times cancel. So 1 plus 9 by this what you will get minus 16 comma 2 cancel 3 plus 1 by minus 16 which is equals to 10 by minus 16 comma 4 by minus 16. 2 5s, 2 8s, 2 2s, 2 8s which is equals to minus 5 by 8 comma minus 2 by 8. Okay, this is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection for the value of K equal to 4. Now we have to substitute minus 1 again. Here 2H you will get minus 1. Here see we got a K equal to 4. That means 2H equals to 4. We do. Now K equal to minus 1. H equals to minus 1. That we have to substitute and find the point of intersection. Okay. So A equals to 2, B equal to minus 6, C equals to 1, 2H is equals to minus 1, that is H equals to minus 1 by 2. Next 2G equals to 3, G equals to 3 by 2, 2F equals to 1 and F is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Now again write the point of intersection formula. P equals to HF minus BG by AB minus H square, comma. One more GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Okay. Now substitute the values. H is nothing but minus 1 by 2. F is 1 by 2. Minus B is minus 6 into G is 3 by 2 by AB minus H square. AB is minus 12. H is minus 1 by 2 means AB minus H square, that is minus 1 by 2 whole square. Next coordinate, what you will have? GH. G and H is minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus AF. A is 2 into F is 1 by 2. Whole by minus 12 minus of minus 1 by 2 whole square. That equals to minus 1 by 4. 2 in 3, 6 3 times. So minus minus plus 3 is 9. Plus 9 by minus 12 minus 1 by 4. Comma. Here what we will get? Minus 3 by 4. 2 to cancel. Minus 1 by minus 12 minus 1 by 4. That equals minus 1 by 4 plus 9 means minus 1 plus 36. Minus 1 plus 36 is 35. 35 by 4 whole by minus 12 minus 1 by 4 means minus 12 4 is 48 minus 1 means minus 49 by 4. Comma, here what you will get? Minus 12 minus 12 means minus 13 by 4 by, again here minus 49 by 4 you will get. Here this 4, this 4, this 4, this 4 get cancelled. What you will get remains 35 by minus 35 by 49, comma, minus minus cancel, 13 by 49. So what you will get? 7 5s, 7 7s, right? Okay. So 15 is that minus 3 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 let us do this one more time. This what you will get? Minus 3 by 4, 2 to cancel, you will get minus 1 by minus 12 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that equals, this is minus 1 plus 36, that is 35 by 4 by 12 4 is 48, minus 48 minus 1 minus 49 by 4, comma, this what you will get? Minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7 by 4 by minus 49 by 4. Again 4 4 4 4 cancel, that equals minus 35 by 49 by minus 7 by minus 49. 7 5s, 7 7s, 7 1s, 7 7s. That equals to minus 5 by 7, comma, minus 1 by 7. Sorry, not minus 1 by 7, plus 1 by 7. See, here if we take the 2h value minus 1, that is k value minus 1, k value minus 1, we get the point of intersection this much. Now we have to find the angle between the two lines in the two cases. Okay? Angle between the two lines. We have formula for the angle between two lines also, right? That is cos inverse of mod of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So we have to find the angle between the lines. Angle between the lines given by what? Cos inverse of mod a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Okay. Okay. Now we know the values. So a equals to what? 2. B equals to minus 6. Here 2h is equals to what we will get before first is 4. I am substituting first 2h is equals to 4. Next is 2h is equals to minus 1. We have to substitute. So substitute these values in this equation. What we will get? Cos inverse of a plus b mod of 2 minus 6 by root of a minus b, that is 2 plus 6 whole square plus this we can write as 2h whole square, right? 2h whole square we can write. So 2h whole square means 4 square is equals to theta. So cos inverse 2 minus 6 under mod means mod minus 4 by root of 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 square plus 4 square equals to theta. Okay. So cos inverse 4 by 8 square is 64 root of 64 plus 4 square is 16 is equals to theta. Cos inverse 4 by 10 root of 6 plus 4 10 80 equals to 0. Cos inverse 4 by root, how much you will get? 80 80 17 fives 16 fives 16 fives 80 16 fives 80 equals to 0. So cos inverse 4 by 4 root 5, right? Okay, so equals to 0, sorry, theta. So here 4 get cancelled. Cos theta equals to 1 by root 5. Okay. Now substitute 2h equals to minus 1 in the angle equation. A equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, 2h equals to minus 1, h equals to minus 1 by 2. So cos inverse into mod a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square equal to theta. Cos inverse a plus b, again you will get 2 minus 6 by root of a minus b means 2 plus 6 whole square again plus 2h is minus 1 whole square equals to theta. Cos inverse 4 by root of 8 square 64 plus 1 equals to theta. So cos inverse of 4 by root 65 equals to theta. Correct? 65. 13 5 65. 13 5 65. So you will get that cos theta is equals to 4 by root 65. If you do any other calculations, you will get only that. No squares are available in that root. Okay, those are the things we have to find. If you can't understand, just please pause the video and you can check it. If you have any doubts, you can specify your doubts in the comment section. Okay.